Why I love living in Lagos is because I'm able to get my hair braided weekly or bi-weekly. I woke up wanting chocolate braids, and that's exactly what I'm gonna get. I'm kind of bored of black braids, so I decided to mix color 4 and 33 this time around. So far, I like what I see. So I was a bit indecisive with which hairstyle to go with because I did come in there with 2 hairstyle options, but the girls were nice enough to help me decide. I'm currently on the search for the best braiding salon in Lagos. If you have any good hair salon recommendations, please let me know. Keep in mind that I am very particular about service. Please, your service gotta be 10/10. I'm also open to making different braided hairstyles this year. And da-da-da-da, the cost of these braids, 85,000 naira. And I did wash my hair, so everything came down to 100,000 naira.
To the mainland to get my hair braided because I'm currently on the search for the best braiding salon in Lagos. After my last braids vlog went super viral, it sparked a lot of conversation. So I said, you know what, let me go to the mainland. Let me actually see what the price difference is. I got to the salon around 9 a.m. and finished about 3 p.m. I had to take down my braids, wash it, and then start the braids. Customer service was excellent. The girls were warm, friendly, and super welcoming. They reassured me that I was gonna like my hair because when I saw the color of the hair extensions, I said, yikes, this is too bright, because normally I would do color one or like dark brown. Now let's talk about the cost of these braids. It was 40,000 naira for their workmanship. I used 4 packs of hair, which was 10k each, and that totaled to 40,000 naira. Took down my braids and I washed it. That cost 16,000 naira. I tipped the lady 5,000. I Ubered to the mainland. Cost 20,000 for a round trip. Yes, guys, I'm scared to drive on the mainland, so I don't even try it. And that brings the bill to 121,000 naira.
To install a frontal in Lagos, Nigeria. Now, before we get into it, we have to take these braids out. I only had the braids in for 2 weeks, guys, I know, but I'm bored. Today, I want to give Lagos body long time no frontal. I also got my lashes done right before my hair appointment, so I'll also be sharing the cost of that as well. Nothing beats the feeling of a fresh install. It just reactivates the bad bee in you. I'm still on the search for the best braiding salon in Lagos, so if you have any good salon recommendations with great customer service, please tag them down below. That customer might just be in my comment section. Who knows? December's around the corner. Everybody needs customers. Now let's talk prices. My lashes cost 63,000 naira. The food that I ate here cost 16,800 naira. The wig installation cost 45,850 naira. I had to wash my hair. That cost 10,000 naira. I had to take down my braids. That cost 15,000 naira. So the total cost for today's maintenance is 150,000 naira 650.
I believe say all of una don use una here waiting this beautiful damsel talk. Say she use 63,000 naira take fix her lashes, 40,000 naira plus for hair installation, 15,000 naira to lose the braids when she carry enter that salon, 40,000 naira for workmanship of the braid when dem plait, and 16,000 naira for the food when she chop for inside the salon. First of all, I wan ask this question, abeg o, the food when dem serve this babe, shey na good? Secondly, where this salon dey, shey na heaven dey? And thirdly, babe, this babe you fuck up o, you no really try well, you really disgrace with the sisterhood. Why you go carry your body go this kind salon when you for come mainland? You see that installation for mainland, if e too much, 20k go run am. You see that your eyelashes 7k go drum and e go neat. You see that losing of hair, even if they be 100 wey gather you, 7k go lose am. Secondly, this salon they need to sue them because they be thief. Because they say this girl they clean, the girl fine, now they can't charge this girl money. Oh no, it's not fair now. I love you guys.